How to recover permanently deleted Snapchat account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, let's go to any browser that you have on your device. I'm gonna go for Google Chrome, and on Google Chrome just tap on search and search for Snapchat support. Snapchat support, and search for the page. So here is the first option. Just tap on it and it will lead you to a page something like this. So here you can just see the option of contact us over here. So just tap on contact us and you'll be led to a page with submit a request. So here we just have to tap on the option of I can't access my account, which is available over here. So just tap on I can't access my account. Now to tell more, what you can see is you can just see for I see an error or something like my account was, I think my account was compromised. After that, all you have to do is just provide your username over here, provide your email ID and your mobile number, and in the description what you have to basically type is like hello team Snapchat, I deleted my Snapchat account because I wanted to take a break from it since there was no option available to temporarily deactivate my Snapchat account. I deleted it so that I could log in after 29 days, but accidentally I forgot to do so, and now my account is permanently gone. So can you please help me recover my account? After that, just provide your phone number and the team will contact you in within the 24 hours and you'll be able to access your account. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.